In this video, let's see what is the best way to install Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers. Let's go.
Loosen the lug nut on the front wheel side in a diagonal sequence using a cross spanner, but do not remove them altogether. A better safety measure would be placing jack stand to support each end of the car. Remove lug nut on the front wheel side using a cross spanner. Remove the wheel of the hub and set it to the side. Look at the wheel hub assembly for rust. You can use a brake cleaner to remove them. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. Install the BONOSS Forge FT Cooling Toyota wheel spacers, then install the match lug nut. Tighten them with a torque wrench. Install the rim and then install the stock nut. Use a cross spanner to tighten them on the wheel. Make sure they are secure. Remove the jack stand. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground and remove the jack. Use a torque spanner to tighten the lug nut to the specified torque. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the lug nuts work. The same operation is done for the remaining wheels. After installing the wheel spacers, drive slowly back and forth, ensuring the rims and turn a few times. BONOSS recommends checking the use of the wheel spacers every 6 months and checking the vehicle operation to ensure safe driving.
Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.